Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I will show you how to produce a very popular petroleum jelly called Vaseline. Vaseline can be produced from the following materials: wax, paraffin oil, jelly, and perfume. Now, before we go into the preparation, let's establish the quantity of materials needed to produce 1 kilogram of Vaseline. Wax 150 gram, paraffin oil half a liter, jelly 850 gram, and perfume 50 ml. Now place a clean pot on a gentle fire. Now put the jelly into the pot and allow all to melt. When the jelly has completely melted, add the wax to it. Allow the wax to melt completely. Now you can add the paraffin oil. You can also add the perfume. Now you can drop the mixture from the fire and allow it to cool. Fill your containers while in liquid form. Your petroleum jelly is now ready. You can do it for home use or for commercial purposes. Thank you very much for watching and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching.